Hello, I am Mustafa Bayrak, and this is our online English class, and welcome to English Acquiring. Yes, English Acquiring channel. Okay, our topic is time and telling the time, the hours, the minutes. Okay, these are important. Yes, they say, for example, if you look at the image, it says time is money. Yes. So there is time management and money management. We need time and we need money and we need management of time as well. Maybe that's why, maybe because of this necessity, clocks were invented, or the clock was invented to manage our time, to be punctual. Yes. Okay, these are also connected with time, telling the time. Okay, there are 6 or 7 ways of telling the time. We will study them. Okay, now dialogue 10. For example, A says, excuse me, what is the time? Yeah, this is the first way. This is the first way of asking about the time. What is the time? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. What is the time now? With 4, it's 4 o'clock. Let's see the second way. Second way. Dialogue 11. 11. A, B, C. A, excuse me, what time is it, please? What time is it? Is it question? So it's 6:50 p.m. Yeah, digital numbers. You read or we read what we see. 6:50. What time is it now, please? So it's 1:15 a.m. We read what we see. 1:15. It's okay. Okay. The next is this dialogue 12, A, B, C. Speakers are A, B, C. The third way, third. Yes, first, second, third. We studied the ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. These are ordinal numbers. Excuse me, what time is it? What time is it, please? It's 20 past 8. It's 20 past 8. What time is it now? It's 25 past 8. 9, sorry. It's 25 past 9. But of course, we have learned we can tell it in this way as well. It is 9:25. It is 9:25. It's also okay. The fourth way of telling the time. 13. Speakers A, B, C. A, excuse me, have you got the time? Yes, this is important. We don't say, have you got time? Have you got the? The is important here. It means that you want to learn the time. Okay. The hour. Okay. Have you got the time? Yes. It's 20. It's 22 after 8. It's 22 after 8. Or it's 20 past 8. But it is also possible. It's 22 after 8. Have you got the time, please? Yes. It's 25 after 9. It's 25 after 9. The fifth way, can you tell me the time? Although we haven't studied models, this is a model type of sentence, but I think you can guess the meaning or the message in that question. Can you tell me? Can you tell me the time? Sure. The time is 9:50. The time is 9:50. Can you tell me the time, please? Of course, certainly. Why not? It's 3:1. It's 3:1. The sixth way of telling the time. The sixth way of telling the time. Can you tell me the time? It's nearly or it's almost 10 o'clock. It's nearly 10 o'clock. It's almost 10 o'clock because 2 minutes after it will be 10 o'clock. 2 minutes after. It's nearly 10 o'clock, 9:58. Can you tell me the time? Sure, of course. It's nearly 2 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock. 1:58, almost 2 o'clock. The seventh way of telling the time. Excuse me, have you got the time? Have you got the time? It's 10:10. It's 10:10. Have you got the time, please? It's 10:20. It's 10:20. Have you got the time here means what time is it? What is the time? Yes. Can you tell me the time? Have you got the time? Okay. 17. Excuse me, what is the time? It's around 10 o'clock. Maybe it's 2 past, it's about 10 o'clock. Maybe it is 2 past 10, or maybe it is 2 minutes later, 10. So it's about 10 o'clock. It's about 10 o'clock. What is the time? What is the time? Sorry. Okay. 18A. Excuse me, what is the time? My watch says that. My watch says that. It is 3:14. What is the time now? My watch says that. Simple present tense. We will study it. What is the time? My watch says that it's 12. Or my watch says 12. Says that it is 12. For example, these are very famous sayings. The sign says that. The sign says that you must stop here. The sign says stop. The sign says that you must stop here. For example, this picture says that you wake up. This image says wake up. This image says wake up. 19, excuse me, what is the time? My watch says 10:15, or my watch says that it is 10:15. What is the time now? My watch says 1:45. My watch says that it is 1:45. Okay. Excuse me, what is the time? It's a quarter past. It's a quarter past, or it's a quarter after 10 a.m. What is the time? It's a quarter to 2. It's a quarter to 2 p.m. Yes, kind of summary here. Yes, it is kind of summary, or it is a kind of. Kind of is the short form of saying kind of. It's kind of summary. 28. What is the time, please? It is 3 o'clock. What is it, please? It's 3 o'clock. Have you got the time, please? It's 3 o'clock. Can you tell me the time, please? Of course, it's 3 o'clock. Okay. Telling the date of something. What is the date today? What is the date today? For example, this is the date. So how can we read it? This is the date in numbers. In numbers, this is in letters, in words. Okay. It's the 10th of March. It is the 10th of March, 2019. It's the 10th of March, 2019 or 2019. What is the date tomorrow? It is the 11th of March, 2019, tomorrow. Okay. It is the 11th of March, tomorrow is enough, of course. What is the date today? It's, or in another way, it's March the 10th, March the 10th, 2019. What is the date tomorrow? It is March the 11th. It's March the 11th, 2019 or 2019 tomorrow. Yes, these are really important expressions with to be. To be with adjectives. It's a large or spacious area in English. To be with adjectives, to be with nouns, to be with verbs, okay, or propositions. Be similar to, for example. Be similar to. Yes, be similar to. Time is similar to a bird. It's an artistic way of saying something. It is connected with art using simile, metaphor, simile, oxymoron. These are artistic patterns. Time is similar to a bird. What else is time similar to? Time is similar to a river. Yes. And our lifespan is also similar to a river flowing to the ocean, sorry. A river flowing to the ocean. Yes, water, downhill, uphill, wind, river. Oh, yes. What else is time similar to? What else is time? Time is similar to water. Time is similar to a bird. Time is similar to water. It flows like water. It flows. Water flows. Wind blows. A bird flies. So time flies like a bird. Time flows like water. Time blows like wind. Or time is similar to downhill. Downhill, slope going down. Uphill, the surface going up. So time is similar to a downhill, and sometimes it is similar to uphill. Yes, it is similar to wind, it is similar to river, or it is similar to a river. It flows like a river. Okay, this is about time. This is not about the hours of the day. Time is similar to wind. Time is like wind. Time looks like wind. Time resembles wind. These are really important verbs that we need in daily language, or in American style, in everyday language. In British, they say in daily language, but in American English, they say everyday English or everyday language. Yes. Time is like wind, or time looks like wind. This is simile. Time resembles wind. This is also simile. Simile resembles wind. For example, let's see this. Oh, for example, Ahmet resembles his father. Ahmet is like his father. Resembles. Okay, be like again. Time is like a bird. Time is like a bird. What else is time like? Time is like water. Similar to? Yes. Please think about three of them. Time is similar to water. Time is like water. Time resembles water. What else? What else is time similar? Well, sorry. What else is time like? Time is like downhill. Time is like wind. Time is also like a river. And that's that. This is this about the similes, about similes. Okay. Attention, please. In such a case, we can't say what is the time. Because if you ask like this by using the, it means that you want to learn the hour. The hour. Okay. But if you say like this, what is time? It means the time in general, with past, present, and future. What is time? There is no the. What is time? What? Is it water? Is it a bird? What is time? What? Is it downhill? Is it uphill? Yes, let's think about it. It is worth thinking about it deeply. Okay. By Necip Fazıl Kısakürek, the Turkish poet and thinker. Oh, sorry, who is time? Yes. Please choose the correct alternative. Question 1. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to answer? Are you ready for answering? Are you ready for the quiz? Is it clear? Are you ready for the quiz? Are you ready to answer the quiz questions? Okay. Question 1. 4 blank 4 is 8. 4 blank. This is, I said blank. Okay. No, sorry, man. 4 blank 4 is 8. So, no, not plus. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is also 8. Yes, 4 minus 4 is not. 4 minus 4 is not 8. 4 over 4 is not 8. 4 times 4 is not, yes, true. A is the correct alternative. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. 2A. Excuse me, what blank is it, please? It's 6:50. So, season, month, day, time. Of course, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it, please? It's 6:50. Question 3. 1 blank is 100 centimeters. Kilometer, meter, millimeter, decimeter. No. Kilometer. 1 kilometer is 100. No. 1 meter, sorry. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Yes. A year is blank seasons. 3, 30, 4, 40. Of course, C is correct. 4 seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. A season is blank months. 3, 52, 4, 20. Of course, a season is 3 months. Okay, let's see our useful expressions. Okay, the first one, push the button, push the button, or press on button and turn on the remote control. Turn on the remote control. Yes, push the button or press on button. Turn up the volume means turn up the volume, increase. Turn down the volume, decrease. Turn down. Turn off means stop. Turn off the volume. But turn on the volume means just start the volume. Turn on the volume. Turn up, increase. Turn down, decrease. Okay. 3. A spoon is for. To be for. To be for. A spoon is for eating a meal. What is a knife for? A knife is for cutting. A knife is for cutting. What is a book for? A book is for reading. Okay, 5. Go ahead, please. Yes, this is very practical. Don't stop. Go ahead, please. Go ahead, please. Move ahead. Walk ahead. Drive ahead. Ride ahead, please. Yes, go forward. Go forward, please. Okay. Move forward. Go forward, please. What shall I do? You wait for 5 minutes more, please. You wait. Wait for 5 minutes. What shall I do? Call your friend, please. Call your manager, please. Okay. Yes, really thank you for having this lesson together. And let's go on to the other presentation immediately.